We're just playing because he's trying. We just say we don't want to play because we don't want to play. And then, I'm not playing. Me and Kyler just without playing with Kuya, so we might just throw Kuya alone. Because I would always play with Kyler. Oh. Your breath. Come here, hug. 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 Started crying while we're playing.
Oh.
We just don't want to play with Khaled. We always played with you. I always play with you, Khaled. Yeah, not much. Never for me. Mommy, from where did you pick up the ring? From Papa. Mom, did you also buy a ring?
The wedding ring.
Huh? Did you add enough money? How much did it cost? Why? Why? Secret. Leave it there. Leave it there.
Castiel, ano ba? Return it.
Okay.
I cannot sleep.
No, Kuya.
Ano ba yan? Awa!
Everyone is squishing me. My hair. Kuya,
Please,
out.
come. George wants to
Kuya.
also with... Kiss Kuya.
Kiss Kuya. I'm tired. Kiss Kuya, Gali. Kiss Mama. Kuya, I'm tired. Kiss Caleb. I'm tired. Kiss Kuya Caleb. I'm not Kuya Caleb.
You're George Kuya.
Yeah, kiss the Kuya George.
Come here.
George, kiss the Kuya Caleb.
Anna.
George, kiss the Kuya Caleb.
Come here. Stop. Come here. Stop. Kiss. Oh, okay, you're coming.
George, kiss the Caleb. I'm not sure, Caleb.
Oh, bebe.
George, kiss the Kuya Caleb. Knock. Who's there? Caleb is knocking. George, kiss the Kuya Caleb. He doesn't admit that he's
George, stop.
Hi, Kuya Caleb from George.
You're gonna have palo.
Kuya. Kuya Caleb. George should kiss Kuya Caleb. Because Kuya Caleb
Castiel, stop. Enough.
takes care of his smaller brother and smaller sister.
Enough.
I'm like, you're my coochie boy, good show, but dirty is. Oh my. What? She's looking outside. What are you
Looking outside. Hi, everyone.
What are you doing?
Oh, it's the Kuya. Kiss Kuya Alex. Kiss. Kiss, kiss, kiss.
No! George! Yes, good boy. Hi, Kuya Kyle from George.
Come here, Alex.
From George. Don't kiss me, don't kiss me. Alex in the mouth.
Another one.
Look at the camera.
Nice. Don't Alex.
Don't fight.
She licked my hand
Mom, can you
too.
also look at the camera in my handy?
Nice. Yeah. Enough. Off, George.
Oh no. Kiss him like this. Kiss him like this, Color. Cody, come. Come here.
Jen! You're too heavy.
I'm too big for mommy. I know.
Oh, Kuya turn. Kuya Cashel turn. Kuya Cashel turn, Georgie. Enough, George. Ano ba yan? Only ending.
Georgie kiss
You're
Kuya.
kissing Alex so much. Ayoko, amoy George ka na. Kiss me. Ay!
Good boy. Now let's kiss him like this.
Come, Kalebo.
Come.
Kuya.
Yeah. This is Kuya Caleb from George. This is a Kuya.
Stop. Enough.
No, this is a Kuya Caleb. Kuya Caleb. I like it.
No.
Yeah, you like that. Oh. It feels good. It's out of my mouth. Yeah,
Ew.
The good
Ew. Oh,
Ew. Oh man, that's so bad. Oh, that's so disgusting.
Enough kasi yan.
Oh man. Mom, when will I become Spotify?
Don't know. Kuya, stop opening it.
George, what? George, no, you can't. George, you want to try? George,
He's tickling you with his tongue. Here, Georgie. Here in the kilikili, Georgie. Here, Georgie. Here. He will really do it. You just open. It's a challenge. Just open your kilikili and then we will tell. Well, let's see if George will listen.
Take
Okay.
off.
A challenge.
Open your
For you not to.
Different this
Oh, lie down here. Lie down here.
George,
Don't cover it. Don't cover it. And you're not allowed to. You're not allowed to laugh. Oh, no, wala na si George. Just open it.
George, take off. George, come.
Look. Kiss.
George, kiss Kuya.
George. Come here. Challenge.
Challenge.
Kiss Kuya here. George, kiss Kuya here. George, don't open.
No, George.
It has more chances.
No, George. Kiss Kuya here. Kiss Kuya. Kiss Kuya. Kiss Kuya.
You're so loud.
Yes. Don't let me do it, okay? Look here. Kiss.
Ano ba kasi
I'm making him kiss there.
Don't worry.
Georgie, here.
Georgie,
Here.
George, kiss Kuya here. 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 Oh, here, George. I would put a treat in.
I'm gonna take the treat.
Sinikiss siya.
Hello.
Kuya, get a treat. We would
Okay.
Kili.
And it's gonna be Kristen, okay? Okay.
A challenge.
No, it's gonna be Kristen and then me.
Just get a treat from Leia because he has no more treats.
I guess Kristen.
No, he's not gonna bite you. He's just gonna get the treat. Kuya. Oh no! Like a booby trap.
Okay, now let's open your kilikili.
George! Come. Open your kilikili.
Open. Someone should open it. Okay.
Alex, open
Kiss
it.
Kuya.
Challenge. Oh, you said that, Alex.
Yes.
Sige na, open.
Now open. Just a little bit.
Lie down properly.
Okay, just like this. Just like this.
I cannot see. Lie down properly. He doesn't want. George.
No! Gabay!
You stop, palo. You want palo? You want palo? Open your neck. I open.
Here's my neck.
Okay,
No!
okay.
No!
George, leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Stop, Kasiel. Leave it. Go eat.
So funny.
Good job.
We need like this tiny one here.
Wala na.
Here, Jojo, here. Oh my.
Is it?
Yes, I saw it. Eat this by kitty. Okay, my turn.
I don't want anymore.
My killy. Oh no. What, really? Killy. No, sorry. I got it.
Wala. Where did George go?
Here are the treats, guys.
Just one.
Ow. Are you really sure? Yeah. Should I help you? Probably not. Georgie? No, Ken. Are you ready? Just tell me if you're ready. Leave it. Ow, you're breaking my arm. Don't give me the picture. You're breaking my arm.
That's enough. Put it back.
Give me the treat. Give me. No, there you go. All right. I'm gonna get it. Here's my teeth. Georgie, here. Georgie, look what I got you. Georgie, go eat. No, Georgie, go eat. Hey, no. Georgie. Come, go eat.
Ay, nako.
He's not eating it. Yeah, because he's full. Georgie, hey, go eat. Jojo. Take off.
Kasi nak, ang kulit niyo.
Just paw. Just one more treat. That's for Jojo. Paw. Just come. Just look at me. Look at me. Look.
Stop, gentle Kasiel.
Look.
You might fall.
Paw. Daddy. Paw.
Georgie. Okay. Paw. Georgie. Paw. You said paw. Georgie. Good job. Bravo. Oh. You say it.
Georgie, paw. No, like paw.
That's Papa. Paw. Where's Papa, George? Where's Papa? Where's Papa, George? Papa? No. Papa's not there.
This treat somewhere in the sofa and then George sneaks in.
Not in the sofa. Not in the couch, Kasiel. Stop it.
George, go eat. Where is it? What is this? What? That's the what? You need to search. Oh, there it is. George, go search.
You throw it. Go find.
Go get. Okay.
You throw it.
Now we need to use the search. No. Go find. Oh, wrong. Go find. What I mean, he gets it. Go find. George.
So how kuya?
Oh, yeah.
Lower.
Mommy is ready, getting so old. George! Ew, dead bug! George, come. Okay. Go find.
Fudge.
Go find.
Do the fudge.
Go find. Right!
With paw.
Next. Go find. You're right. Take it. Now. 38. Now what? Go find. Wrong. Go find. I'm gonna help you, okay?
Leia also. Not
Go
their
find.
Scarlet. Mama washed that
Go
already.
find. Hey, you know. Nope. No, you're not gonna help us. You need to just find. Okay, I'm gonna. Georgie? George? Go get. Joey! Leave it. Leave it. Joey!
That's enough. Brush your teeth. Change now.
I already changed.
Oh yeah. Then
Yeah.
brush teeth. Vitamins.
I already changed. You're half
9,
naked.
not that Jose.
Part of your half